so I can stay here. You come at them with the kind of, oh, well, there's this other thing, and you could do such and such, and it all goes into the optional bucket, right? Something like Silicon Beach, as good an event as it is, for them, you might as well be invited into a fraternity party. It doesn't mean they won't go. It just means that from their point of view, I'm supposed to show up in the lab 2 hours from now to do this thing, and I've got to study for this exam next week, and I'm working on a paper, and I'm trying to be excellent.
Right.
And you're talking about something else.
So we got to incentivize them then.
No. It's not incentivize. It's make them see that this is part of the entire process. This is part of the experience.
Yeah.
Right now, what they see
Value
as
added.
right now, and I can personally relate to what you're saying, because I was someone who had a scholarship that paid my entire way to school.
Me too.
Therefore, that was my responsibility all 4 years to keep that scholarship.
Exactly.
That was my job.
Exactly.
When grades came in that were C's, that was unacceptable because I would lose my scholarship.
Exactly.
So,
Of the
to the
same way.
point of trying to drag them out of that mentality, that's going to be hard if your focus is, I got to stay here.
Right.
And staying here requires me to do these 5 things.
Yeah.
You're asking me to do like thing 8 on my list. I'm sorry. I got to take care of these 5 first.
Until it gets to your senior year and you realize that you may have had a scholarship, but you don't have a job.
Right.
You know, and so we get, you know, the panic of what's going on in senior year. And, you know, other kids have had 5 internships by senior year. We just know that, you know, this Silicon Beach message has to be a constant. You know, they have to see it. It's important that they see me and Jay involved in this because we are people of color. We're the only people of color in the damn thing. But, I mean, you know, we know that we have to stay in that place. So I think right now it still requires a lot of innovative partnership to get our kids there.